my god, now I don't know if the creature is of this world or not. I cannot underestimate the darkness. You know, something can really happen right away. I don't know. I am in danger here. I will stay here. Oh my, I will not move myself. They can't see me if I move. Well, my friend, certainly it's incredible how this creature make strange sounds. Strange creatures are always around, and for some reasons they are always coming back, and they searching for something here. I don't know, for some reason they appear and disappear in the blink of eyes. Oh my god, what's that? I can't believe it. Oh my god. Oh my. I can't believe in my eyes. I just can't believe it. Once again. Oh my. What is that? Oh my. Frightening. Very frightening. Very frightening animals are around my house in the last days. I don't know, for some reasons, strange lights appear every night, and after this, I can hear something happening. And many guys supposedly. Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god. I was staying still here, waiting the creature, a strange creature for sure. Oh my god, what's... my god. Oh my. Strange creatures are always around, and you're never supposed to underestimate these creatures. I know the creature is there. For some reason he always come back during the moonlight. I think it's midnight, and the creature always appears this moment, and certainly something strange happening, and there's a terrible smell, and this creature certainly is searching for something, and it's strange because there's something very strong around this. Oh my god, I don't know if I will survive. Oh my god, I wish I could have something to protect me here.